Start.
Hi, this is Coach Phil. Welcome to How to Make Six Figures Selling Simplified Issue Life Insurance. Now, I'm also recording this for my new YouTube channel, Elite Producer Sales Training, and hopefully you'll visit the channel. And if you like the information, put a like on it, and hopefully you subscribe to the channel because I'm posting new great sales tips every week, 2 to 3 times a week. Now, generally, this channel is for all salespeople of all types, but today I'm incorporating life insurance. Now, there's a reason for this. You can make 6 figures selling simplified issue life insurance, and I'll tell you what that is in a minute, part-time. So there are students doing this. There are homemakers doing this. There are people in the tech business, this is common, who are looking to get out of that career and assimilating over into the financial services business who are doing this. And so what I'm telling you is, no matter what you do, it's easy to make 6 figures selling simplified issue life insurance. Now, if you don't have a life insurance license, I'm going to give you my contact information pretty soon. You can text or email me and I'll tell you how to get one, because that's really easy. And of course, if you have one, you're almost ready to go. Now, what is simplified issue life insurance? Years ago, buying life insurance was the worst consumer experience. Just terrible. People hated life insurance salesmen or saleswomen, whatever. But today, people who sell life insurance are held in high regards. It's a respected profession. And simplified issue is unlike, it's not final expense like you see on television for $9.95 a month when you're getting ready to die. It's life insurance that will be approved immediately to a couple of hours, and there's no medical exams. So some of you are saying, how can they do that? Well, today, because of the wonders of the internet, they can access your health information online, your prescription drug history, etc., and make a decision on whether or not they want to insure you. Now, the good news is the rates are great, but this means that somebody who wants to buy life insurance can do it in under 20 minutes without any aggravation or without a salesperson visiting them. The demand for this product, and it's offered by many, many major household name companies, is unbelievable. And it got to be there for 2 things. Number one, when the horrible accident with superstar Kobe Bryant happened, life insurance sales went through the roof. That's all documented. And then when COVID hit, life insurance sales went through the roof. So simplified issue life insurance is done for middle America. It's quick, it's easy, and the demand is unbelievable. Unbelievable. I literally know of agents making $30,000 to $50,000 a month doing this. I'm not kidding you. The demand is huge. Now, the interesting part about this, why this is such an incredible opportunity, is that it's a transactional sale, meaning a lot of financial services and a lot of all sales are relationship sales. You have to build a relationship. It takes a while to close. There's a lot of studying, etc. You don't have that on simplified issue life insurance. It's literally the easiest sale you will ever make. People either want to buy it to protect their family or they don't. So how do you learn to do it? Basically, once you get a license, or if you have a license, it's easy, you get with the companies that sell this. Now, here's the other fact. Selling life insurance used to be really difficult, so companies paid high commission because they don't have marketing expenses. So your ability to earn with this product is very, very high, but you're doing a great job for people. You're helping them protect their families with company names they know. And the best part about it is, Once policies are issued, which is generally within 24 hours, you get paid in a few days. So it's great. You're not waiting. Now, the thing that everybody always asks about is leads and prospects. That's in any business. But simplified issue life insurance, there's a lot of lead companies who sell these prospect names as they call in or inquire about it. Matter of fact, there's several of them. They're very good, and you can pick and choose, and you can keep your pipeline full, which is so important. And of course, I don't sell leads, but I can help refer you to the people who do. I'm going to give you my information to text me or email me if you want any additional information on this. Now, I'm a big proponent of scripting, and many of my clients who make millions of dollars a year have script books. You do need to use scripting to sell simplified issue life insurance. You do need to have scripting to do that, but it's simple. It's not a lot. So let me give you an example. I remember talking to somebody a few years ago, and they were calling about life insurance, and it wasn't very expensive. It was maybe $80 or $90 a month, and this person could afford it, but he didn't want to buy it. He goes, I can't afford it. And I said, it's a very simple question. If you can't afford this now, how will your family be able to afford their mortgage or food or education? God forbid something happens to you. Very simple. So the beauty part of this is you're not twisting anybody's arms. You don't have to be a hard closer. You don't have to have years and years of sales experience. If you do, it's easier. You basically need to learn the products, learn the few key phrases that are important, and then people want the product. They truly do. It has become a commodity. So your success is the right companies, getting the leads, and then having the right scripts. So, and even here's the other beauty. A lot of people today in America are unhealthy. A lot of people have diabetes. You can get this product at the normal rates if you have diabetes. They're on medication. It's not a problem if you're on cholesterol medication or blood pressure medication. And it all can be done online. You don't have to meet with anybody. You don't have to mail. And the other beauty part is you can do it anywhere because it's all done virtually. Meaning you could do it over the phone. Most people do. You can incorporate Zoom if you want, but here's something people don't know. Insurance is regulated by state. It's not regulated by the federal government. So each state that you sell in, you have to get a license, but that's fairly easy to do. So you can be living, let's say you live on the West Coast, but you're a morning person. You get up in California at 6 a.m. You can't call people at 6 a.m. talk about their life insurance. But it's 9 a.m. on the East Coast. You can do that. So you can get licensed in New Jersey or Pennsylvania or wherever you want. And you can work as many states or areas as you want. Now, the other beauty part of this is people give you a lot of referrals. Generally, if you're getting them coverage, they will have, I can't tell you how many people want their son-in-law, daughter-in-law, their aunts, their uncles, their cousins. It's a very easy program to get referrals. Now, a couple of things. This is not wealth transfer. This is not estate planning. This is simplified issue life insurance. And here's the other key that makes this such a great opportunity. So if you're in a sales position now, let's say you're in the insurance business, you're doing health insurance or final expense. That's a tough way to make a living, or property and casualty. Or what if you're in the type of sales business where you're really busting your hump, but you're not doing well? You can do great at this because people want it. They want it. So if you're interested, send me a text or email. I'm happy to put you on the right path to do this. And I want to wish you well. If you like this information, please enter a like, subscribe to the channel. I'm Coach Phil. I look forward to talking to you, seeing you in the future, and I'm out.